To become a professional and successful music photographer, you will need to have a COI or a certificate of insurance. One of the main reasons it's so tough to get into music festivals or on stage at your local concert is because of the stage production and all of the room for human error that can take place. When you start receiving higher or even all access passes to a concert or festival, you're going to be surrounded by risk and liability. And the last thing that you'll want is for something to happen at these shows, big or small, and you're not insured. I'll add the link to the insurance agents that I use in the description below. Just follow the directions and tell them that Tariq sent you. I highly recommend them. Once you're properly insured, here's a little secret to better your chances at getting hired for more shows. Make sure to attach your COI to your cold emails right away. Say something like, "Lastly, attached is my certificate of insurance for your convenience." Don't wait for artist or festival management to ask. It reassures the management that you're a serious candidate and that it's worth reaching back out to you, especially if your work is good. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to get into the world of music photography, including what successful cold emails look like, continue on to the video on the screen now. I'll see you there.